Hi guys, Morao here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today we're making one of my favorite things to have around the festive season. Dikuku le khamere, which is scones and ginger beer, and really truly one of the ways I know that it's truly gonna be Christmas. So let's get straight into it. We are gonna start with making our scones, and then while those bake, we'll make our ginger beer. First you need some flour, and then some baking powder, our sugar, as well as a pinch of salt. So to this, we are gonna add in our butter, and then I'm gonna use my hands are washed, to sort of rub everything together till all of my butter is combined with my flour mix before we add in our wet ingredients. Some milk and 1 egg. I usually use vanilla essence, but today I'm using the orange essence, so you can use whichever you like to just add that beautiful orange flavor. Mix that, and now I'm gonna clean my hands before I mix my wet. Actually, what's the point? Because I'm gonna use my hands again anyway. So I'm gonna pour in my wet into my dry, and then fold that in. So now everything is nice and mixed, and I'm gonna use my hands again. And like the queen of improvising I am, I'm using a glass because I don't have a cookie cutter, and I'm just rolling that first in the flour and then making my little scones. And then they go onto my baking tray. Make sure to leave space in between, because as they bake they'll obviously expand, so you want to leave spaces in between for them. Now our scones are ready for the oven. I preheated my oven to 180 degrees, and these babies are ready to go in. And now while our scones are baking, we are gonna get on with our khamere. So I'm gonna pour about 2 cups of water in here. Dissolve our sugar and bring that to a boil. To add in my ginger powder. Turn this off and cool it slightly before we add in the rest of our ingredients. Starting with the cream of tartar. And then I'm gonna add in the lemongrass. This is my own little twist, just a little bit to give it a nice flavor dimension. The peel of a pineapple. Just be careful when you are doing this. And then this will go into my fridge, and I can enjoy some ginger beer tomorrow. Let's have a taste. So now here are our scones. They're nice and cooked, they smell amazing. Can't wait to have this with our ginger beer. And now I'm officially ready for Christmas. Come!